The following is 2 ways to share external authoritative content using groups in ArcGIS Online. The first will be through a hub, and the second will be with internal users. So the first thing you need to do if you're going to share through a hub is create a new group. And the most important thing you want to do here is make sure that this is set to open data if you're using it with a hub, and you will only be able to do that if you are an organization manager. So now we're going to add some items to our group. I'm going to go on to ArcGIS Online and search for some external authoritative data. And add it to my group. So you can do this with as many as you need. And then next we will go in and we will set up our hub to share this data. So come in to your hub edit page. Come up here to the group manager. And we need to add that group that we just created. We will click here to get our new test group and add it to our hub. Now it's in there. And we can go into our hub and begin to add this data in. So right now I've got 2 cards here that allow users to get to data based on a keyword. So I'm going to add a new one. And instead of using a tag query, we're going to use a group. So you should see your new group that you just added right here. Add a new icon here so people know that it's going to the outside. And we'll save it and we can see how this works. So now when your users come in here and they click this, they will actually go to the page that shows the group data. All right, so the second way that you can do this, if you don't need to share externally, is to come into your group, and for internal use you can set up group categories. You may have a whole bunch, you may have an existing group that you want to use, and you can add in your external data to that and then just categorize it into the external data category, and that way your users can go in and look for that data there. So now I've put it in here and it shows up as its own category. And those are 2 ways that you can add external data. This will avoid you having to duplicate services or duplicate service names, and it's just a nice way to share external data with your users to make it available for them to find.